Hello, friends. Welcome to Do You Know English? I am Vitalina, and I am very happy to see you here today. This is our classroom, and today we start a new topic. It is simple, it is important, and it is the first step for many new English learners.
Hi everyone, I am Jake and I am happy too. I study English, I practice English, and I want to learn together with you. I am excited.
Good, Jake. I am excited too. Friends, today we start a new theoretical lesson. Our topic today is pronouns. These are small words, but they are very important. We use them every day, in almost every sentence.
Yes, small words but big power.
Exactly. Pronouns help us talk about people, animals, things, and ourselves. Today, we will learn them, repeat them, and make very simple examples. In English, we have 7 basic pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
7 simple words. Even I can remember 7.
Now let us look at each pronoun in a very easy way and make simple examples. The first pronoun is I. I is for myself. Examples: I am happy. I study English.
Easy. I am happy and I study English every day.
Very good. That is true for you, Jake. The next pronoun is you. You is for the person we speak to. Examples: you are happy. You study English.
Yes, you are happy today and you study English with us.
Thank you, Jake. I like that. Now we have he. He is for a boy or a man. For example, he is busy. He likes reading.
Yes, Tom is my friend. He is busy at university, but he likes reading.
We can also say he for an animal when we know it is male. For example, a dog or a cat that is a boy. Examples: he is a big dog. He likes to play in the yard.
Yes, and my friend's dog is a boy. He is very funny.
I like that example with the dog. It is very clear. The next pronoun is she. She is for a girl or a woman. For example, she is beautiful. She works a lot.
Yes, Penny is our friend. She is beautiful and she works a lot. She studies, she helps people, and she is very responsible.
Yes, she is a good student and a very kind person. We can also say she for an animal when we know it is female. For example, she is a very calm cat. She likes to sleep a lot. Now we have it. It is for things, objects, and situations. Examples: it is small. It moves slowly.
Yes, I have a small toy on my desk. It is small and it moves slowly when I push it.
That is a good picture. We do not say it studies English in real life, but for grammar practice, it is okay when we imagine a robot or a machine. We also use it for animal when we do not know if they are male or female. The next pronoun is we. We means me plus other people. Me and you, or me and my friends, or me and my family. Examples: we are friends. We like learning together.
Yes, we are friends and we like learning together. We are here in this lesson and we are happy.
Yes, we are. That is true. And the last pronoun is they. They is for many people, animals, or things. Examples: They are happy. They speak English.
Tom, Penny, and Lucy are my friends. They are happy and they speak English. They like practicing with us.
Perfect example. Very natural. Now, Jake, let us make a small practice. I say a pronoun and you make 2 sentences.
Okay, I am ready.
I,
I am happy. I study English.
you.
You are a good teacher. You help students.
Thank you. He,
He is busy. He likes reading.
she.
She is beautiful. She works a lot.
It,
It is small. It moves slowly.
we.
We are friends. We like learning together.
They.
They are happy. They speak English.
Perfect, Jake. Very clear sentences. Friends, pronouns help us make simple sentences. Without pronouns, we repeat names again and again.
If we do not use pronouns, we say, Jake is this, Jake is that, Jake is tired, Jake is hungry. It is strange. It is too much Jake.
Yes, that is why we use pronouns. They make English natural, simple, and easy to speak. Now I ask you a few small questions, and Jake answers with pronouns. You can answer at home too.
Okay, let us try.
Who am I?
You are Vitalina.
Who are you?
I am Jake.
Who are Tom and Penny?
They are our friends.
Who are we?
We are a small English team.
Yes, that is true. We are a small English team, and our friends who watch this video are part of the team too. Let us repeat pronouns one more time. I, for myself. You, for the person I speak to. He, for a boy or man, or a male animal. She, for a girl or woman, or a female animal. It, for things, situations, and animals when we do not know if they are male or female. We, for me plus others. They, for many people, animals, or things.
And we can say, for example, I am happy. You are kind. He is busy. She is beautiful. It is small. We are friends. They are happy.
And for actions, we can say, I study English. You study English. He likes reading. She works a lot. It moves slowly. We like learning together. They speak English.
Very simple, very clear. I like it.
Friends, this was our first theoretical lesson about pronouns. We learned I, you, he, she, it, we, they. We learned how to use them with to be and with some easy actions.
Yes, and we are happy you are here with us. We learn together and we grow together.
In the next lessons, we will use these pronouns in many practical lessons with present simple, past simple, future simple, and more. Please subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more English lessons for you.
Yes, and you can write a comment too. Tell us, who are you? Where are you from? Are you happy today? We read your comments and we are excited to know you.
Thank you for being with us today. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, friends.
Bye-bye.